Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using PA or Phoenix Shaving Artisan Accoutrements Droid Black. This was my first Artisan soap, and it's still one of my favorites. Love Droid Black. Of course, I'm gonna have the matching splash cologne. And for the brush, I'm gonna be using one of the last Oumo that I got. Look at the sparkle; it's just looks really nice and glaze, especially for the price. ST1 not already loaded. If you're interested in Oumo brushes, wait for the sales. You can get a really good prices on handles, or even the brushes fully. And for the razors, while I scratch my chin. For the razor, I'm gonna be using my Merkur 34G. This is the gold-plated version with a Tiger Platinum blade, same one that I use for the last past one or two shave. I forgot. Anyway, just using it. I enjoy that blade. I was gonna say that it's not even 7 in the morning and the AC is running. That's a Florida thing, I guess. I know it's not gonna take that much water because it's it's gonna lather easy because it's PAA. So PAA lathers pretty easy. You know, a shave before going to work. And I've been craving Droid Black for a while, but I keep buying it and I keep buying it, and I don't get to use it. There's a few soaps that I really like from PAA. Droid Black being one, and the other one is Sundown. Those are my two favorites so far that I have from PAA. Green Witch Envy, yeah, I really enjoy that one too. Yeah, they have a lot of good soaps, but Sundown and Droid Black are my two favorites so far. Looking pretty nice. Today is Friday. It's gonna be an easy day so far, but based on how things have been running on the work on the job, I had two local runs, and I'm gonna probably do a few afterwards if they confirm it. But definitely it's been a slower week compared to last week, but it's good, still good. And I forgot to turn my alarm off again. Now you know it's 7 in the morning. Echo, stop. I forgot to turn it off, sorry. I'm supposed to be at work at 9. But it's an easy day, please. Just an easy day. A hot, sunny day in Florida. Looking pretty pasty already, so let's go for another spray. I'm looking forward for the 34G. I got the 34C for a friend, and I enjoy it very well. It's an easy daily shaver. I see why it's one of the most popular razors, especially if you get it at a good price. I paid this than around $30 for that 34G. Also, didn't know, thank you train, didn't know that it was brass. I was thinking that it was Samac or zinc alloy, but no, it's brass. I'm like, oh, cool. I thought that it was Samac. Oh no. So far, the only razor that I have on Samac, I guess, is the Leaf Tweak and Thorn. Haven't shaved with them in a while. Thank you, Train. Gotta love it. He might be stopping at the intersection close by. He's really going wild with the horn. Yeah, he's already looking spacey, so let's add more water. Nope, don't fall. Been really enjoying the ST1 nut. The ST1, not the ST2. The ST2 is another story. That's a floppy mop. Now it's looking better. I'm still gonna add more water. I'm gonna bump it down to 2 pumps. But it's already looking very nice. Let's see. Let's do a third one. Last shave I used the peaches and cream. Oh my god, that scent stays for a long time in the shirt. That's why I don't clean my neck, because I wanna keep smelling the soap on my shirt. If you were wondering why I don't clean my neck. That's the reason why. And I was able to smell peaches and cream pretty much the whole day on my shirt. Very nice. I'm hoping to do the same with Droid Black. It's one of my favorite scents. It's already looking really wet and creamy. Yeah, 8-minute mark. Yeah, it took a reasonable amount of water. Look at how wet that looks. Yeah, that's what you want. That's what you want. Very nice. Yeah, let's go for it. It's ready. From what I've been seeing on my recent videos, around the 8-minute mark, I've been able to get a great lather. I bumped the amount of water pumps that I use between while making it. I used to do only 2 pumps at a time. Now I'm doing 4. This is a very mild razor. Excellent daily shaver. Efficient enough for me for daily shaving. And it's a short handle. I prefer shorter handles. Easy. Of course, very slick. PA it's a pretty good base. But they have a ton. They have a ton of soaps. You go crazy if you go down the PA rabbit hole. They have so many seasonals. Oh god. I think I went crazy for a bit, but I managed to escape. Now I can compare the Goat with the Merkur 34C. Now I realize that's what happens when you have too many razors. It's just like you forget what you have. Even though I have them right next to me, I'm looking at them. Very nice. No blood so far. So far. It's a easy shaver. Yeah, still missing across the neck. But a very, very easy shaver. My Spanglish came out. Very easy. Man, that lather is very nice. Very smooth razor. Very smooth. I saw actually that they recently freaking released a stainless steel version for 130. 130 I think it was, or 150? Or even more, or 180. I'm not sure, but I missed it. I might have would have grabbed it. Probably I would have grabbed it. Definitely is a good reason. For a daily shaver at least. Even on the gobbler it's fairly easy. The Tiger Platinum seems to be working well on it. Yeah, I can buff all day with this razor. Very nice. No blood even on the mustache that I'm famous for nicking. But yeah, it's a very mild razor. You might have to buff a little bit to get everything out, but it does the job. It does a very good job. Very nice, very nice. Got so inside my nose. There you go. Very nice. That was a great shave. Time for the cologne. Cologne time. Very nice. Let's see if I get any burn. Very little. Ah, so nice. It's been so long that I use it. It's such a great scent. It's such a great scent. If you haven't tried it out, try it. It's a really nice scent. Yeah, that was a great shave. Very nice. No, that's not a whipper or nothing, or anything. That was a great shave. Now I'm gonna get ready to go to work. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a good one.